Today I'm going to talk about the best 12 volts air compressor available on the market. At number 1, Via Air 0008888P Portable Air Compressor. For use on the road, off the road, and industrially, this compressor that has been engineered for quality is easy to use by anyone and makes it convenient for you to check your monthly tire pressure as recommended. Your tires will last longer and you'll enjoy a more seamless and safe ride while on the road, in addition to getting a far better mileage of gas. It is portable, meaning it is ideal for use by trucks, sedans, SUVs, etc. And the power source are direct alligator clamps on the battery. At number 2, Kensun Portable Air Compressor Pump for Cars. This tire inflator that has been built to be reliable uses both AC at any outlet at home and DC from the connection from your car cigarette lighter to carry out the tasks that are challenging for other compressors in the same category. It is made from premium components and has a capacity to pump the pressure out of 100 psi. In addition, this compressor comes with different compartments that allow you to store the hose for air, the power cords, and other accessories. And because it is compact, you can easily fit it into the trunk of your vehicle or even inside the car. At number 3, MasterFlow 12 volts air compressor. One of the distinguishing features of this air compressor is its portability and compact nature, which makes it ideal for use both indoors and outdoors, for inflation of your car tire, sports and boating equipment, and so on. It offers you convenience and safety as it allows you to directly charge it from your cigarette lighter using a power cord. That is not all. This device also comes with a storage bag attached for easy packaging and is ideal for use as a gift.